Hello and welcome to my website. This is my website right here. This is called Shuttershop Boise, as you can see by the logo and the URL. Shuttershop Boise is what I would call an online portfolio. Maybe you'd call it like a personal brand kind of thing. Um, but for me, it is an online portfolio. I can send it out. I can send out a link, and someone can see um, all the pictures I've taken. It's a photography portfolio. I would like to put some designs in here, but for what it is right now, it is a photography portfolio. Um, but yeah, like I was saying, I can send the link to someone. If they want, they can send the link to someone else. It's really a public and open portfolio, um, either for your amusement or to show you just how serious I can be about photography. Um, and that is really the purpose of the website is just to share my designs and photos. So when I was making this website, um, I kind of wanted to stay with the theme of how natural Boise looks. It's always got the trees and the clouds and the sky. It's always looking nice. So I went with the green, white, and black kind of theme here, and I wanted it to look simple. I didn't want it to look too fancy. I wanted the pictures to sort of speak for themselves, in a sense. There's obviously not a lot, but I'll talk about that later. I did include this video right here, for an interactive element, something to click on, watch, pause. You could really do whatever you want, um, but it just kind of adds to the website in a nice way. Um, I'll show you the pages here. This is the home page. I'm sure you could have told that, but we got the community page here, which talks about Boise and the beautiful sights in Idaho, and just about Idaho and how cool it is. We got the blog here. You can leave a comment. You can be like, "Wow, really good pictures, Andrew. Really good stuff. I like it." Do have to have an email to do that, but if people are sharing this around, it's kind of a nice little feature there to get everyone um, expressing how they what they think about the portfolio, I guess. And then here we got where you can reach me. If someone shares, maybe I share this with someone, they share it with someone else, and then that someone else wants to contact me. Now they can, because I got the contact page. And we go to the about page. This is just me, picture of me, picture what do I do, who am I, who made this website, stuff like that. Um, but yeah, there you go. Last thing, and I think this is probably one of the coolest things about the website. If it ever did get shared quite a bit, a lot of people were like digging the designs and stuff, and they were really into it. You can subscribe to an email campaign. Um, and I'm not sure what direction I'll really take the emails yet, but what I've done so far is I'm doing Shuttershop Boise happenings. Um, and basically that's just saying, what photos have I gotten, what's been going on, what events are going on in Boise, if I've captured them, have I gotten a picture of them and stuff. And that's basically what I'm thinking for the emails right now. Just kind of an informative, um, and it gets you back to, I mentioned the pictures, it gets you back to the website, you look at the pictures, more traffic on the website, kind of helps out. Um, I guess what I'd do differently is I'd figure out how to use all this empty space, or maybe change the color because it's so bright. But for what it is right now, I think it still looks pretty good. Um, real quick, real quick, I'm gonna show you. I think it's I used WordPress for this website, but I think it's crazy that you know before WordPress we would use HTML and just build it from the ground up. So I'll show you my little HTML website. I made it about tennis. Let's go ahead and open it. Tennis, probably a dog's favorite sport. Um, yeah, so it's just a basic little website about tennis. When it was first played, what it is. They got the hollow rubber ball covered with felt, stuff like that. Description stuff. Um, why I like it. You got a little link here. Boom. Learn about tennis. Buy some rackets. Stuff like that. But I think it's really interesting. Oh no. Reset password. That's not what we want. Anyways. I think it's really interesting that we used to do this just manually. Because look how much text there is just for this simple little website. That's quite a bit. I think it's really crazy. But now we can just use WordPress, and we don't have to type a novel to essentially, get a simple page going. And seeing the change from that to now is pretty astonishing, if you ask me. So, what challenges did I face making this website? Honestly, with WordPress, it wasn't too hard. It was kind of hard getting everything to go where you wanted it to. For example, like, you can see here, like this space down here. I wish I could just have this gray area just stay at the bottom, but for some reason it kind of scrunches like that. I'm not sure how to fix it, but maybe in the future, as the portfolio continues to get built, I can figure that out. But just little positioning things like that is probably what I struggled with the most. Um, what I enjoyed most about this is being able to really, have a project you can personalize over the semester. That was definitely one of the coolest things. Um, I really enjoyed it. I really liked putting, my own personal thing. I'm really excited to see what everyone else did. Um, I'm sure, people are gonna have some crazy ideas. Probably have some e-commerce, probably have a blog, something. It's gonna be cool. I'm excited to check it out. As far as my plans for the website in the future, um, I'd say I'll just keep, as I keep getting pictures or designs and content, I'll just keep uploading it here. And if I ever need to share, what kind of content I'm able to get, I can just shoot a link. It's super easy to remember. Shot, Boise. That's easy. .xn hosting. Um, but yeah, I just send them the link, and then it's done deal. So I'll probably keep building the website. Just in case I ever need a portfolio for some reason. Um, and I'm sure if I ever decided to work at the news, or if I wanted to get a web design job, this would also be a kind of a cool way of showing that I can make a website in itself. Um, it's a design portfolio website, but it's also a website. So that is kind of some points right there. Um, but in conclusion, I had a lot of fun making this thing. I'm going to continue building it and taking care of it. And I really enjoyed the class overall. So thank you for watching. And if you want, check out the website. I'll leave a link. Yeah, have a good day.